In this video, I will show you how to copy a worksheet in Excel, rename a worksheet, and run descriptive stats. First of all, your original data file should look something like this. I recommended that you take your original worksheet and make a copy of it. This is a right click. Once you've made that copy, you see you have your original and then your original two. I might just click and drag this one a little further over here. And what I might call this is data set working data number 1. You may have to rearrange your data a few different times. So this is my first sheet that I'll work off of. So we've copied our worksheet. We have a new worksheet. My original data is here. I won't lose any information, but this is the data set I want to work off of. One of the first things that you were asked to do was run descriptive stats, and I'm going to run descriptive stats for Texas. So if I go to data analysis, I want to run descriptive stats. I need to select my input range. I will include labels in my first row, and I'm going to come and start with Texas and drag to make sure I receive or select all 40 of those. And basically all I need is summary stats. Okay, again, you see a new sheet has been created. I'll probably call this descriptive stats Texas. I will probably want to expand it where I can see all the information in there. And I'll probably pull this sheet over just to kind of keep everything in order of the assignment. From there, we've looked at this plenty of times in class before. Here is my mean, my median. In this case, we didn't have any repetition, any most repeated data. There is my min, my max, and then my sample size.